everyone, and welcome to Jack and Cat Adventures. Today we're going to continue the detox, and I'm going to make baked sweet potato wedges. Okay, you need 2 organic sweet potatoes, a half a tablespoon of organic coconut oil, I got this at Walmart, and a half a teaspoon of Himalayan salt. Get your oil in a bowl and melt it, okay, and then put your salt in, and you're going to cut your potatoes just into wedges, like French fry wedges. I did peel mine. You don't have to. I don't like the skin. So I'm just going to throw this in the bowl, and we're going to coat it in that oil. Make sure your oven's preheating to 400 degrees. Just make sure you coat them really well. Doesn't look like enough oil, but there's plenty of oil, believe me. Okay. Now I'm just going to lay them on my tray. I do have non-stick foil on my tray just because I think it's easier to clean up. And just spread these out so they're in a single layer. And we're going to bake them for 30 minutes or until they're done soft. Sometimes sweet potatoes take a little bit longer than others, and because they're a really hard potato, and sometimes they'll be normal. So just watch them. But when they become fork tender, I think they're done. So I'm going to put this in the oven for 30 minutes. Alright, so here's our finished products. We ate and forgot to take the picture, so we're just showing you what we ate. Everything, I have to say, was delicious. I let my potatoes go a little bit longer. I would say about 40 to 45 minutes because I liked them a little bit brown and a little bit firm. And the broccoli only took 20 minutes and it was done. The steaks, about 3 minutes per side, 3.5 to 4 minutes per side. And that's it. So please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And remember, you do you.